Unemployment is the biggest problem today in this country. There are a lot of engineers who have graduated not getting right jobs. For them to get right jobs, they need right skills. So CADD Centre has understood the need of the hour and designed JST, the Job Security Training Program, that makes every engineering graduate employable. So when they join the JST Job Security Training Program, what happens is they will identify the true aspirations and they will get the skills that is required to achieve their aspirations, which means they are fully ready for an employment in the domain which they are truly interested in. What CADD Centre does is understand the needs of the industry and go back and look for candidates with aspiration that is matching the industry requirement. So I identify these candidates, skill them the way the industry wants and make them deployed in the industry. JST Job Security Training is meant for anyone who's aspiring to become something in the future and the corporates who are aspiring to get good, well-trained employees into their organization. What CADD Centre provides is the course, also the money required to do the course and the employment after the course. So all they have to do is just come and join the job security training. What we do, we train them based on the background. State Bank of India will fund them up to 1.5 lakhs for the course. They can take the study loan, join the course, complete the course, and CADD Centre will provide them an employment with the 200,000 rupees salary, annual salary to start with. They will get 5 chances to attend the interview. Within this 5 interview, will correct them, improve them, correct them, improve them. They will get a job somewhere in one of the leading organizations. JST, the Job Security Training, provides well-qualified, well-trained and willing engineers to the world. CADD Centre has been a skill provider for the last 30 years. We have mastered the art of skills. Now, CADD Centre is taking one step further, making them skilled and making them employable and getting them employed.